fascinating world inside a hive. The point of this experiment is to determine whether a deposit an egg into each cell, setting the stage for
Billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Peter Thiel, and Sam Altman are investing billions in biotechnology firms to develop life-extending pills and rejuvenation therapies. While these advancements hold promise, critics warn they could lead to social inequality, creating a class of privileged zombies. Critics warn that this pursuit of longevity, driven by fear and ego, could lead to a dystopian future where only the wealthy elite can afford to extend their lifespans, creating a world of posh, privileged zombies. They argue that these billionaires should instead focus their resources on addressing the pressing needs of the world's most vulnerable, such as the millions of children who die each year from preventable causes like hunger and treatable diseases. These life-extending technologies, currently under development, primarily focus on reversing the aging process at the cellular level. Companies like Altos Labs and Retro Bioscience are exploring techniques such as biological reprogramming and cellular rejuvenation, aiming to extend human lifespans by decades. While these advancements hold the promise of combating age-related diseases and improving the quality of life in old age, their potential exclusivity raises concerns about exacerbating existing inequalities. Critics argue that focusing on extending the lives of the wealthy few is a misguided pursuit driven by fear and ego, while neglecting the urgent needs of the vulnerable. They stress the ethical responsibility to prioritize preventing premature deaths among children rather than prolonging the lives of those who have already lived full lives.